Well, this is how it's looking. I already built the bottom part for the transfer chair. There's the chair. This is gonna go through the seat to that base. These just trying to set up because I need to trim it, and I'm missing trims to raise it up so it doesn't touch the bolts on the bottom. So this is it. This is one of the parts you'll be seeing when I put it together and I start testing it. But I have to fabricate all this. This is a Chrysler Pacifica. This is the base from Honda Odyssey. So I made it work with this. It's got some kind of clamps with these bolts and hold on to these. So I made it. It's pretty strong. Just gotta trim it. Well, people, I got it installed already. I already did the bracket. You saw it on the other clip. Right now, what I'm trying to do is program it. This is the hardest part, but I got the manual there. But I got it working like. You go. I'm gonna keep on playing with it until I get it done. So you'll be watching more clips on this video. Thanks for watching. Here we go. It's looking a lot better now. Everything is in place where it needs to be. I had to take this apart, which I had the hinges for that. So now I'm gonna fabricate this part with a piece of plywood, and then I'll get some carpet and I'll put the hinges on, and it'll fold a little bit. It'll have a little bit of angle, just to see in there or something. But I'll send it down. As soon as I send it down like that, it'll land on top of this over here on the side, so it'll cover all around, and it will look, factory supposed to, the way it's supposed to. But yeah, I mean, nothing is impossible. A little bit of drawing, and there's the bracket on the bottom. Everything is built down there, attached to the floor already, attached to the back. So it's pretty nice and solid. Already got it out a few times. Like I said, I'm still working on the programming. Right after this, I think it's time to start doing it. So I might start working on that for the next clip. There it comes. It's coming out now. It's doing everything by itself because it's already programmed. Right after this, I'm gonna show you, because I know people got questioned what happens if if power fails or something happened. Yeah, it's got some ways to bypass everything and do it manual. It's a slow process, but it can be done. So that way you don't be stuck with the chair sticking out. And another tip, when you got it like this, it's always good to clean it when it's like this already, because you can see everything and you could grease it. See, you can see the rods, everything, the gears in some areas. It's quiet. It should be stopping pretty soon, right there. That's about it. Now I got the green on this side. That's the only way I could go is backwards again, but I'm gonna explain something to you guys real quick. If something happens, to move this back and forward, you need to remove this clip over here. Now that the chair is out, you remove it, and you could come over here with that tool. And that tool's got a piece already that it comes with if you got it. See, it's got one for this side. It's got one for this side. It's a slow process, but most of the time on this one, you could push it back, because it'll unlock another, like a big nut over here. It'll let it slide. So two people, if you don't got anybody on the chair, it's easier. But if you do, then you have to use two people. And then the other one goes over here, with this side, which this brings this up and down, and then this one will bring this in and out. So it's not that you're gonna be stuck, you know. You should be all right, but it takes time. It's a slow process. So now I'm gonna return it. Yeah, it looks unfinished now, but like I said, when I put the carpet, you see that carpet on the floor, everything. I got the hinges for that, and I'll put it on, and it looks like, you know, professional, like nothing happens there. And when I do this, what I do is I put my seat forward, but after it's all set up or where it needs to go, I just go back on the seat. And it still don't bother the person behind me. I still got plenty of room because I maxed it out to where I want it. But as you can see it turning by itself. On her, we gotta hold her legs a little bit in because she cannot bend her legs or anything. So we gotta kind of keep her, you know, her legs there. So sometimes, you know, but there's nothing else we could do on that part, you know. It is what it is, but it's working. Now we could pick her up. So now, over here, all I could do is go back and forward if I wanted to. I mean forward. If I wanted to. Let's say we got somebody back there, so I could do this. I could go back and forward. Even with the door locked, you could do this. When you lock your door, what it does is it locks this one over here so the shear don't come out for, you know, safety purposes. But, you know, that's about it. And when you close the door, this control, after a few minutes, it will go like on a sleep mode or something, and it won't drain your battery. But, you know, there it is. You know, you guys got any question? I thank Matthew for the help for the chair for her grandma. And I did the other part. You know, I put the rest of the money. And his mom and I, Carmen, we started buying metal and stuff like that, and I fabricated everything that I needed to do. Thanks anyways. It was a blessing that I started looking for this stuff out there, and we needed one of these, but they were too expensive, and I found a used one for $500, and I did the work, you know, because it's expensive. It's expensive to have it done by a professional or whatever, or the company. Oh yeah, they're gonna charge you like 13 or more grand. And even this bottom part, I seen it around for like $3 without the chair. So thanks a lot, and you know, hope you enjoy and like the video. Any questions, just let me know. Thank you to Jimmy too, James Welsh, for letting me borrow his welder. Appreciate it a lot, man. Thank you very much.